I encourage all Jamaicans of faith to pray.
So here we have the Honorable Andrew Holness, Prime Minister of Jamaica, asking Jamaicans to pray as we prepare for the impending storm called Melissa. And this is all well and good because Jamaica is indeed a Christian country. However, and I'm going to have fun saying this, and I'm going to have fun reading the comments too. Isn't this the same party, the JLP party, who Andrew Holness is the leader of? Is it this the same party who was mocking Peter?
The crime problem in Jamaica. But it is going to take divine intervention, touching the heart.
For asking for divine intervention to deal with the crime and violence some years ago? Mind you, I'm not making fun or light of the whole Melissa Storm situation. I'm not doing that. However, I saw it and I found it intriguing. Political games these politicians play. Wake up, people. But again, it's fascinating how the tables have turned. But again, this is just me sharing my thoughts. Ensure that you like, follow, share, and comment. I want to hear your comments in the comment section. I'm trying to create a community of world thinkers, and I want you, yes you, to be a part of that community.